And the joyous and vibrant Ganpati celebrations have kicked off across India, bringing together a harmonious symphony of devotion. In Mumbai, which is the heart and soul of this grand festival, the atmosphere is nothing short of magical. The city, known for its pomp and splendor during this time, is bedecked with elaborate decorations, colourful pandals, and larger-than-life idols of Lord Ganesha. The festive fervour is being witnessed across the country with unique themed pandals and eco-friendly Ganesha idols. Now, the festival's menu features an array of mouth-watering sweets and savoury dishes, with modaks taking centre stage. Now, these are believed to be Lord Ganesha's favourite that the sweet shops have prepared in different varieties. Let's get in ground reports from our colleagues on this.
बहुत बड़ी संख्या में जो लोग हैं, श्रद्धालु हैं, वो यहाँ पर धीरे धीरे पहुँच रहे हैं। ये पहला दिन है और उसके बावजूद भी मुंबई, महाराष्ट्र के अलग अलग कोनों से लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं। यहाँ तक कि कुछ विदेशी भी यहाँ पर आए थे और इसी बारे में बातचीत करने के लिए लालबाग चौराहा के अध्यक्ष जो हैं वो हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। उनसे समझेंगे। सर, 90 साल पूरे हो रहे हैं, इस बार क्या कुछ अलग देखने को मिल रहा है? पहले दिन ही भक्तों का हुजूम बहुत बड़ा है।
लालबाग का राजा का मंडल ये अभी 90 साल में आया है और ये हमारा लालबाग का राजा का 90 साल का उत्सव है। और पहले ही दिन हमें थोड़ी आइडिया थी कि 3 साल के बाद खुले पैमाने पे इतना बड़ा गणपति बप्पा का हमारा लालबाग का राजा का उत्सव होने जा रहा है, तो ऐसा थोड़ा लगता था कि भाविक सारे बड़ी संख्या में यहाँ पे आएंगे, तो उसके लिए हम लोग तैयार भी थे। और आज खुशी है कि सारे लोग लालबाग का राजा के लिए चरणों में नतमस्तक होने के लिए आए हैं और उनकी एक श्रद्धा है। मुंबई, महाराष्ट्र नहीं तो पूरे हिंदुस्तान और हिंदुस्तान के बाहर के भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं, भाविक हैं, उनकी एक श्रद्धा है लालबाग का राजा के प्रति और वो अपनी श्रद्धा के कारण यहाँ पे इतनी बड़ी तैनात पे यहाँ पे आई है।
Well, this is a time of festive fervour and tremendous zeal among devotees because this is a time of Ganpati Bappa and the auspicious time has begun where across nation you find massive Ganpati Pandal, but when it comes to the financial capital of India, that's in Mumbai, you have massive majestic Ganpati Pandal and this is one of them. This is GSB Seva Mandal. Now remember, when it comes to this particular Pandal, it's been glorious 69 years and this Bappa Murti is something where people do make such huge queues to come and offer their chadhawa. Also, what we can currently see, what my video journalist is also showing you, this is Sulabhar. In fact, to talk more on this, we are also joined by Mr. Amit Pai. Now remember, there have been several times where we know for the fact that GSB Seva Mandal is one of the prominent Ganpati across world. Sir, thank you for connecting with us. Firstly, do tell us about the ornaments, about the jewelry of Ganpati Bappa, because that has always been the point where devotees also do come and visit them.
Namaskar, this is Amit Pai from GSB Seva Mandal. We welcome all your viewers and devotees to this year's Ganesh Chaturthi festival. We would like to, Ganpati Bappa does not need an introduction, but we would like to introduce our Ganpati Bappa as the one who is richest in his blessings and not just the gold and the jewellery.
A large crowd of eager devotees gathered at the Vinayagar temple in Tamil Nadu's Dindigul early morning to seek the blessings of Lord Ganesha on the joyous occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. In a display of creativity and eco-consciousness, a woman artist from Gujarat's Surat crafted a unique idol of Lord Ganesha using soap, offering a sustainable and innovative tribute to the beloved deity on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. And an extraordinary leap in Guwahati, Assam. This year, the Pandal transformed to pay a captivating homage to ISRO's Chandrayaan 3 moon mission. And in a delectable celebration of tradition and taste, sweet shops in Thane are offering mouth-watering assortments of modaks. Renowned sand artist Sudarshan Patnaik crafted a magnificent sand sculpture on the golden shores of Puri, Odisha. Now, this creation, made with pieces of steel bowls, not only honors the beloved deity, but also carries a message of world peace on the auspicious occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi.